Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on gestures, which should be on the 4th position, and here on the second one we've got the system navigation option, so let's enter. And as you can see right now we've got this 3-button navigation option applied, of course, as you can see that. And we unfortunately cannot customize this mode, so basically I cannot show you anything connected to the 3-button navigation. So let's move to the gestures. Let's tap on this option at the very top, and as you can see the 3 buttons actually immediately disappeared, which means that right now we are able to use the gestures. As you can see, of course, here we've got the animation of how to use them, but before I will show you, let's customize them. So let's tap on the settings icon. And as you can see, we've got, let's say, 2 options which we can customize. So we've got the digital assistant, so we can swipe to invoke the assistant. It's up to you if you want to keep this option turned on or off. And here we've got the back sensitivity, which means that we can change the area which will be responsible for catching your touches, let's say. So let's take a look at this left edge. Right now we've got in the switcher right in the middle. So let me tap set it on low, and as you can see, this blue area is much smaller than if we will set it on high. So again, it's your decision if you want to have it high or medium or low. It simply means that if you will have the high option applied, then your device will be much maybe more receptive. It will catch your gestures much more. It will be more sensitive. So let me leave it like this. And basically let me start to show you how to use the gestures. So in order to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you'll see this arrow, as you can see. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side, it will work the same. So after seeing this arrow, all you have to do is to simply release the finger, and as you can see we just got back to the system navigation option. Let me do it again, and this time from the left side, and as you can see we've got the gestures. So in order to get back to the home page directly, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, and as you can see here we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, you have to do the same section, the same operation. So swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, but this time do it slowly and hold your not device but finger somewhere here. And as you can see here we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to set the gestures in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.